Hello everybody, welcome back to another session of Mathematics Made Easy. Now the topic is heights and distances. We can call it as the applications of trigonometry also. The question is, find the height of a tower when it is found that on walking 80 meter towards the tower along a horizontal line through its base, the angular elevation of its top changes from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. So first we have to draw the figure for finding the height of a tower. Now one tower is given. We do not know the height of a tower. A person is observing the height of a tower with some angle of elevation, and he is moving 80 meter towards the tower. The angle of elevation changes from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Then find the height of a tower. We are going to find the height of a tower here. Now let us take this is the tower of h meters. Tower of height h meters. Let us say this is AB. AB is equal to h meter is the height of a tower. Suppose a person is standing here and he observes that the top of a tower with angle of elevation 30 degrees, and let us say this is a point C. From point C he is observing that the top of a tower with angle of elevation 30 degrees, and he is moving from point C to point D. The distance between these 2 points is equal to 80 meter given, and again he observes that the top of a tower with angle of elevation 60 degrees. Now we are going to find the height of a tower. So first let us see that what is angle of elevation. When the object is placed at higher level of the eye, then the angle formed is called as angle of elevation. Now what is the meaning of angle of elevation? Suppose a person is standing here, and this is called as a line of sight. The line segment drawn from eye of the observer to the object is called as line of sight, and this is called as horizontal line which is parallel to ground. The angle between line of sight and horizontal line, this angle is called as angle of elevation. So in our question, a person is standing at C and he observes that the top of a tower with the angle of elevation 30 degrees. Whenever he is moving near to the object, the angle of elevation will be increased. So that 30 degrees to 60 degrees it will be increased. Now they are asking what is the height of a tower. We have to find. First, consider the triangle ABD. In this triangle ABD, or else we can say ADB. In triangle ADB, we can take tan 60 degrees. We know that tan theta is nothing but opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. So 60 degrees opposite side is AB by adjacent side is BD. But we know that tan 60 degrees value is root 3. So root 3 is equal to AB measure we have taken H by BD measure we do not know, let us say it is a BD only. So H is equal to root 3 BD. Assume it as equation number 1. Now coming to consider the triangle ACB. In the triangle ACB, we can take tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 30 degrees is here. Tan 30 equal to opposite side is AB by adjacent side is BC, but we know that tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AB measure is H by BC can be written as BD plus CD. So it is a BD plus CD. Then from this we can write cross multiplication. Root 3H is equal to BD plus CD. Root 3H is equal to BD plus CD. Then it becomes root 3H is equal to BD measure we do not know plus CD. CD measure is equal to 80 meter. Assume it as equation number 2. From equations 1 and 2, in first equation we have H is equal to root 3 BD, and in the second equation root 3 H is equal to BD plus 80. So from this we can write from first equation we can take that BD is equal to H by root 3. Let us substitute this BD is equal to h by root 3 in equation 2. Then root 3h is equal to, second equation we are using now. Root 3h is equal to BD. In place of BD, I am taking h by root 3 plus, and this is 80. Then root 3h is equal to, take LCM here, root 3 is LCM, then h plus 80 root 3 it becomes. Then let us do that cross multiplication here. After cross multiplication, root 3h into root 3 is equal to h plus 80 root 3. Now bring h to LHS, we get 3h. Root 3 into root 3 it becomes 3h. Bring h this side, minus h equal to 80 root 3. Then 2h is equal to 80 root 3. H is equal to 80 root 3 by 2. Cancel 2 table in this 40 times. H value is equal to 40 root 3 meter. So height of the tower is equal to 40 root 3 meter. Thank you.